Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find liked posts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then tap at your profile picture, then hit at menu icon and select your activity. On that screen select interactions, and now you are able to open up comments, likes, story replies, reviews, and not interested. I'm just gonna get into likes, and that shows me all the content that I've liked on Instagram, including posts and reels. All that content sorted from newest to oldest, so in that way you can easily find any content that you liked on Instagram, and then you can open it up, and if you want, for example, you can comment it, you can watch it again, and you can, for example, unlike it if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.